My dad built this whole closet for me except for the soft stuff. He built this whole platform. He even built this. He built shelves for my games. He built like some more shelves over here. And then I got a Christmas puppy.
She's 7, and she's got a shoe problem already. Hey everyone, today I'm showing the easiest way I know how to make closet shelving. In this case, it's not as easy as maybe it should be because, well, this is what happens when kids play with your tools. My stud finder is missing its back. I could go find a battery and probably make it work, but it's not that big of an issue because this is a closet and I can hide any missing screw heads. But if you're looking for a stud in a wall, really, sometimes it's easy as knocking on the wall. Now, this house, when I did find that there was a stud, I actually found this one first. I put my screw in here. I just marked a line because I'm assuming the floor is level. Might not be, but again, not a huge deal in this case. So once I found that there was a stud here, my screw sucked in nice and tight just like I wanted it to. Now, stud should be 16 on center, so if I go 16 inches off to here, I should find another stud. And I did! That's not always the case, but it should be. And if you're not sure, where it sounds hollow, it is hollow. We want to go where we think there's a stud, which in this case is right here, and hopefully this will sink in. If it pulls the board in, you know it hit a stud. This bottom one is going to be a platform that my kids will be able to stand on so that they can reach up high enough. So I've cut off a board to the height that I want, which in this case is 16 inches. Now, I'm just going to mark this. I'm making the assumption that my floor is level. Usually that's the case. And if not, it's not that big of a deal. These are closet shelves. So I'm going to put the marks on the wall. And everybody is probably going to do theirs a little bit different, but I'm going to show you a few things that hopefully might help out a little bit. You may notice that I've got a bit of a gap here. Well, I knew that this chunk would span this whole length and end up on my supports. So I have a shorter piece that I'm going to add in now. Now all I have to do is screw it down. And add a support in the middle. Here's my support for the middle because I do want to make sure that this isn't going to go anywhere. I'm going to bring this out. I'm not going to actually screw this in yet because I'm going to put a face on this to make it so that my daughter doesn't get cut on that or anything. But this support should be enough because it's secured all the way in the back. We just want to make sure that small children can stand on here. If this video helped you find even one stud, well, help me out. Click subscribe. Share it with all your friends too. And if you need to see how to make these shelves, well, they only take a few minutes, so click the link above and it'll take you to the 5-minute shelf video. This is part of why I had to build a closet like this, because she's 7 and she's got a shoe problem already.
If you find something helpful, make sure to subscribe.
Now, they should be really strong, especially in the front.
If you liked our video, make sure to subscribe. Bye!